We are going to make a simple revolve. So the way we do that is first we turn on the origin right here so I can see all of the pieces we're going to draw. I'm going to draw on one of these planes that I'm selecting. Let's select the front plane. So I'm going to make an axis by clicking over the origin line. Notice the blue box, and I'm going to go up. I'm going to go up to 50. Now the next thing is I want to have a flat bottom on this object, so I'm going to click here. I'm going to drag that out. Now you can hit escape on any line drawing tool and it'll get you right out. The next thing I want to do is I'm going to use this spline line. So the spline's a really cool, awesome line because it's a reactive line. It will come around and it'll kind of like make the shape for me. When I'm done, I have to zoom out a little bit. I'll get this little check mark. Once I have that check mark, I can hit Finish Sketch. And now when I go to Revolve, which is this up here, I have a profile. It already knows that I'm selecting that. And I can just click the axes right here and it'll revolve around that object. So that's a great shape, and I'm done with that.